Hey, how you doing? My name is Jeremy. I'm the Master Tech and Shop Foreman at Performance Kings Honda. A little bit about myself. I'm a Honda Pack student graduate. Been working on cars since 2007. I do have an ASU certification in Master Tech, as also as Honda's Master Tech certification. I've been enjoying working on cars since I was a kid. I love problem solving. There's nothing better than taking a car that has a problem and then finding a solution and fixing it. All right, so my position in the shop is the shop foreman. So what that is if anybody has an issue in the shop, they'll come to me, they'll ask for help, questions. I make sure your car gets in, it gets fixed the first time. So if you have any particular issues, anything like that, I'll take care of those, make sure your car is fixed the first time it comes here. What I enjoy, what I can offer the customer, one service we have is iService. It's a video. Allows us to show you what's going on with your car. We'll talk about it in the video. We'll be able to point things out if you have a concern, or we can show you the concern, show you the correction in the video. Things I like to do, things that affect you, like I like to top off all your fluids. I like you're setting your air pressure, resetting your tire light. We're making sure that everything is working on your car. We're checking the wiper blades, checking all your lights. Everything gets thoroughly inspected here. We'll make sure everything is working correctly. There's nothing better than having a customer come in, you have a concern, they're upset, and then we're able to find a solution, fix your vehicle, and you can leave with a happy smile on your face.